A fact.
Fuck.
Again?
That's fuck. Fork is fuck. But like a fact, I know that for a fact. I know that for a fuck.
You're cussing in all the ways.
I'm not.
I'm eating with my fuck.
Fuck.
And I'm gonna tell you a fuck.
Fuck. Just take off the T, leave it fuck.
You're not saying fact. You're saying fuck.
Fuck. It's a known fuck. Say.
How do you say facts about forks?
Alright. Facts about fuck. That was not like what English again. Fuck about fuck. Okay.
Hold on, let me practice. I'm really trying. This is me real life trying right now.
Facts about forks. No.
Fuck about fuck. Can I do it?
Yeah, man. You're good. You pass. You get a ticket.